think digital is a success story for everybody today. It's not only me who's talking about digital, because our entire world is revolving around digital, whether we are like now doing a call on Zoom, or whether we are on MS Teams, or whether we are on a Google Meet, or we are ordering groceries at home, or we are doing digital transactions in terms of making payments, etc. So I think the pandemic, while it has taught us a lot in terms of valuing people, valuing lives, valuing things around you, it has also thrown many opportunities. In every adversity, as they say, there is an opportunity, and it is only in the interest of people at last to convert those opportunities that come their way and see how to take it forward. Being part of the business community, obviously, business growth has been a big challenge, and that challenge has been across categories. It is not only the category that one is working in, and I'm coming from my Z5 experience, and now, of course, lending it on to Patanjali as well. So yes, in Z5, the challenge was, how to get across for people to get adapted to the platform. And thankfully, the pandemic turned that into a big opportunity for them, because everybody was starved for entertainment. We were locked in our houses. How much can you see your husband or your wife or your kids? And how much can you cook, and what not you can do? Given that, I think that opportunity in terms of disseminating content and new and interesting content to the audiences was a big opportunity for Z5. And that is where I think Z5 gained ground, and it converted that particular adversity into an opportunity for them. Coming to where I am currently, though I'm very new and coming from a brand perspective, again, Patanjali is working in the Ayurvedic category. They are the leaders in Ayurveda. And again, imagine the kind of opportunity that has come to their fore, because all said and done, whether it is yoga or whether it is Ayurveda or the use of Ayurvedic medicines, etc., it is time tested from from old age of rishis and munis who've been practicing Ayurveda. So I think, again, that is something which has also beautifully lent itself to the digital transformation piece, because today we are going online and ordering Ayurveda products, whether it is a tulsi, or whether it is a giloy, or whether it is any other such condiment which kind of helps you with your health. And also, again, digitally looking at various apps which are teaching you wellness, yoga, etc., etc. So I think if you look at it from any aspect of business, any category of business, I think while there have been a lot of drawbacks and a lot of pushbacks, people have moved back. I think everybody who's used this as an opportunity is somebody who's moved forward, and is now possibly seeing growth, and hopefully will grow in times to come.